Today, I'll show you how to delete a Facebook page. For example, here we have a page called English Quiz Time. First, switch to that page by clicking on your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. Select that English Quiz Time. Now you're on the page. Go to your browser's address bar and add facebook.com/deactivate_delete_account. Press enter. You'll see three options: deactivate, unpublish, or delete page. Click on delete page, then click continue. Click continue again. Enter your Facebook account password and press continue. Finally, click delete page. Your page has now been successfully deleted. Thanks for watching.